guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome to the channel. We're doing a YouTube hop today and giveaway. We are showcasing our stamp and die of the month, this really cute set called From Our Kitchen. We will be hopping along. If you use the hashtag N2S From Our Kitchen, all the videos will pop up and you can hop from each video, leaving a comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. I will be pulling one winner on the 14th for a chance to win a $25 gift certificate to the shop. So I hope you'll join me as I make a super cute card with the stamp set. Currently the stamp and die of the month is sold out, but if you get on the waiting list, I'll let you know if any spots open up this month. Otherwise, you'll be the first to know when our September subscriptions are available. There'll be some spots opening up. I'll have the link in the description box where you can join the wait list. The stamp of the month is available, so if you just wanted to get the stamp because you really love the stamp, you can purchase it as a one-time purchase or join the Stamp of the Month Club. You'll get a brand new stamp every month. Our Stamp of the Month Club does have some spots available, so if you wanted to join the Stamp of the Month, I'll have the link in the description box. You can head on over there and check it out. You'll get one stamp every month, a new design shipped to your door automatically, and it's a super cute stamp each month. It usually coordinates well with our paper pad club. So if you wanted to join the paper pad club, we have some beautiful designs this month and an option to add the coordinating ephemera. So you'll get one ephemera package if you add on the ephemera, and it will match one of the papers in the collection. So these are the two beautiful paper pads from this month, and this is the ephemera. I created two beautiful cards. I'll share that really quickly so you can get an idea of what you can make with the paper pad club. So there's always these beautiful cutouts in the paper pad that you can cut out and use on your card front or your crafting projects. And you can add on the ephemera if you want more images. So it's a great subscription. You save 18% when you subscribe to any of our subscriptions. You can check out our box of the month and our junior box of the month. Currently, the junior box is sold out. I think I have a couple spots left for our bigger box of the month. So let's go ahead and color this image up. I want to create a card using some of these really cute jars and the canning spoon. And we've got some nice sentiments in here. You fill me with happiness, from our kitchen to yours, and a sentiment that says from the kitchen of. So let's stamp this out. I'm going to use my paper pad for inspiration for the colors. Here's a snapshot of all the colors I'll be using. I'll play some music and I'll meet you back on the other side. I grabbed these three colors for my peaches. I used a leftover strip that measures the same size as my panel here. I cut out a scalloped oval and a scalloped circle, which I'm going to have my images on and stamp my sentiment on. So let's go ahead and put this part together. So I'm going to glue this down and I'm going to face the berries this way with the leaves facing up. Don't forget to enter into the giveaway by using the Rafflecopter link that's in the description box. Okay, I'm going to glue this one flat down. This one will be popped up. Okay, so I have a little piece of foam tape on the back of my spoon, and then I'm going to add some glue on the handle. Same with this one. First, let me glue down this little blueberry. And then we're going to have the other blueberry on the other side. Bring some purple over here to the corner. We'll have this one popped up. And then I have all my hearts popped up. So here is the card using the stamp and die of the month from our kitchen. We used the paper pad, A Sweet Life from the Paper Pad Club for August. Turned out really super cute. I hope you hop to the next person and see what they create. I'll have the links in the description box to everyone's channel on the hop, or you could use the hashtag N2S from our kitchen. Don't forget to enter into the giveaway. Use the Rafflecopter link that's in the description box down below. I'm so glad you stopped by, and I hope you have a great day. Happy hopping, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.